Please join us here in the center stage, Lynn Ay Sang Manapla.
In her beautiful yellow dress.
Yes.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
Lynn Ay Sang Manapla, are you ready?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so here is your question. Ang iban nga tawo, gasiling nga ang pagsalig, pwede man nga hindi pagtumanon. Ano ang imo nga malaygay sa imo nga suod nga abyan, nga nagatinguha nga hindi pagtumanon ang iya nga saad?
People often say that promises are made to be broken. What advice would you give to your best friend who is about to break a promise?
Promises are considered to be sacred because they are a representation of your values, your principles, and your moral being. If I were to become your Lynn Ay Sang Negros 2025, I will use my platform to advocate for local industries, get engaged with our resilient communities, and empower our youth. Because through this, if we move forward together, we march forward together, we can create a future that is full of endless possibilities. And that is the promise that I will continue to fulfill to all of my fellow Negrosanos. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Lynn Ay Sang Manapla.
Thank you, Manapla.